Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to convert MBR to GPT in Windows 11 installation. Click Next. Press Shift and F10 keys. Type Diskpart. Type list space, disk. Type select space, disk space, 0. Type clean. Type convert space, GPT. Type exit. Type exit, exit from command prompt. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.